Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show how to set the time here actually in G-SHOCK, this analog versus digital. So I'm just going to show how to do this. For example, right, if I need to change this, I have a lot of G-SHOCKs here, 1, 2 and more I have here. I'm just going to show how to set the time here. So we'll see this now. So how to set the time first. So here, right, I'm going to show this. Right now it is in for example, I'm in India, so I need to set the Indian timing. So for that, right, you need to press this adjust button. This is called A B C. Okay, so I need to press this adjust button here. Just hold for some time, just holding. I am holding this. You will hear the sound. So once you hear the sound, right, you will see the set option here. You are seeing the set option here, right? So you need to press this mode button here, mode. So mode, right, see this DST is blinking. I'm just going to turn this off now because DST is nothing but daylight saving time. So I'm just going to put it off. So I'm just going to maintain it as an off. So if we want to on it, right, you need to on this. Down, press this button, off. So it's in off mode, keep it in off mode. Then I need to move the next one, right? So just press this mode button. So now it is in hours, 12 hours. So I'm just going to keep this in 24 hours for understanding. So this one you need to press this to go up, to go down. So 12 hours. I'm going to maintain as a 24 hours. And now once you set right, you need to press this mode button again. I press the mode button, it comes with minutes. So I need to make it 0, right? So just as soon as I press this any button, right, it will turn to 0. This button I am pressing, it will make 0. As soon as I need to press this 0 button, I need to press this mode button again. So 0 mode. So once mode is pressed, right, this mode is pressed and it's coming for the time. Right now here the time is 11:25. So gonna change that time. See this, when I press this button, right, I am able to see this 24 hours is set. So I'm going to choose actually 11. So 11, once I set right, I need to press this mode button again to set minutes. I need to change this up and down to go up. So this button up and down. So pressing this 13, I want 25. So here, right, it's a 25 is blinking. So I need to press this mode button now to move on. Here it's coming for the year 2019, right? If I'm pressing up button, right, this one, if I'm pressing this, it will go down. So I'm making it up now by pressing this one. So yes, so once you set your year, right now we are in 2019, so just pressed another button. This is nothing but now it's changing, right? When I press the mode button, it's moved to this is actually calendar. So see this 1 2 3 12, it's there. After that 1. So I'm gonna set this time. First time we set the time, and second is month and date. So this is 6th month, 6. Once you press that, you need to press this mode button again to move on. It's moved now. So now I am just changing with today is 15, so make it 15. so it's changed to 15 now. So now I have to press here. It's key, right? It's nothing but alarm sign, alarm, it's everything. So I need to press this if you want to mute, but I want to ring some alarm, so just put on key mode. So once it's done, right, you need to press again the mode. This LT3, if you press this button, you can see LT3, LT1. LT1, we set the time, that's nothing but local time. LT3 is nothing but the date and month. So I'm just going to keep this date and month here. So just press this LT3. So this is power saving is on. I just want to turn it on, power saving. So then press again mode here, right? Actually it's showing this Karachi, so I just want to change this to Delhi. If you press this button, right, it will come. Actually I'm in India, so I'm setting the Delhi time here. So once you change, right, you can change, I mean, if you're in USA, you can change the New York. If you're in Singapore, you can set the Singapore time. So right now I'm in India, so I'm going to change this in Delhi. I need to press this button to change that. DEL is the code. You need to check online for the code. UTC, MAD, Rio, Berlin, California, Moscow. Minus DEL is the code. So DEL is the code. Everything is set. Once you set, right, this set is blinking, right? I need to just press this adjust button now. So gonna press this adjust button. See this? The time is changed completely. Super cool, you know. Today is Saturday, it's showing. So one more time I want to tell you this. Hold this adjust button for some second. It will mention as set, and then you need to press which country you have to select like this by pressing this. Mine is Delhi, so Delhi I set. Then press the mode button. It's daylight saving is blinking, and just turn it off. So I'm pressing the mode button. I'm getting 12 hours or 24 hours. So I'm just going to set 24 hours. This one I'm going to set a 0 by pressing the search button. 0 immediately mode button. It will go to here. Here the time is 11. So I'm just choosing 11. I'm pressing mode button, and again coming to search to come up. I think 11:30 is the time. So going to press mode button. Here I'm changing. If you want, you can change the time, I mean years. So again pressing mode button. It's coming with date and month. So today is this is June month 6 and 15 is the date. So I'm okay. Mode button and key, you know, right, mute on or off. Local time 3 I'm setting because I want to display here day and the month. So setting power saving is on, and Delhi is the country code I set it, and the time zone I set it. So I'm gonna press set. This is the set button. See, 11:30 is set. Today is Saturday, and June month 15th of June is displaying, and the minutes is right. So we are all set. Before in this video it was showing Karachi, that's why it's showing different time, but this time I have set it properly. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. That's it. I think I have set the time until it. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please put a comments and feedbacks in my video form. Thank you.